Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to turn off Find My iPhone using your iPhone 17 Air. Find My iPhone helps you locate and protect your device if it's lost or stolen, but if you're selling your iPhone or sending your iPhone for repair, for example, or any other situation, you will have to turn it off first. So here's how to do it. Go to Settings, and at the very top you have to see your Apple ID information. This is your name and also your picture. You want to tap here and select section Find My and go to option Find My iPhone and you want to disable this option at the top that says Find My iPhone. And also you will be asked to enter your Apple ID password to confirm that you really want to disable Find My iPhone feature. This step is required for security and it will remove activation lock from the device. So enter your password and press turn off button when you're done. And that's it. That's how you can disable Find My iPhone on your iPhone 17 Air. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.